everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Richa Mundra for all those who are new here, and I make videos on travel, lifestyle and so much more. So please hit that subscribe button and join the fam. So for today's video, I have a bunch of lipsticks that look really good in office settings. So I thought that I would go through these lipsticks and tell you about it, क्योंकि अभी बहुत सारे लोगों के offices खुलने लग गए हैं और बाकी लोगों को क्या बोलते हैं जूम कॉल्स वगैरह पे करना होता है. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कम हियर एंड टेल यू सम लिपस्टिक्स दैट वुड लुक really good in office settings and that would amp up your look. तो इसलिए भी मैंने आज ऐसे शर्ट वर्ट पहन के रखा है so that helps. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first one is something that I'm wearing right now. It is Nykaa's All Day Matte. This is the new launch and this is Nykaa All Day Matte Dear Dog. This is how it looks. It's like a brownish nudish lipstick and this is how it looks on my face. मैंने कोई भी मेकअप नहीं किया है, no foundation etc. so that I can show you how it looks on my bare face. And this is how it looks. This is like a pretty brownish nude. Transfer proof है, ऑल डे मैट है और सब चीज़ है, तो मतलब इसको बस निकालने में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत होती है, बट आई थिंक दैट इज़ feasible, right? So yeah, that is how this one looks and this is the first option that you have. Moving on to the next lipstick, this is the Smashbox Always On in the shade Gulabe. So this is like a perfect shade for those people who do not like to show a lot of lipstick, and this is how the lipstick looks on my face. It's pretty nude, it's not at all out there, and it's just good to go, right? Moving on to the third lipstick. This is a little different, like for me at least. This is like in a orangish kind of shade. Let me see if it focuses. This is like in an orangey kind of shade, and this is like a little different for me from like whatever colors I use, but it looks so pretty on my lips. And it's like there's a little tint of color on it, but not like too bright, nothing like too bright or something, but it's just pretty tinty. And वो जो पुराने में जो lip balms आते थे ना, वो वाले आते थे. This is MAC's Crossfires. Yeah, this is Crossfires in MAC in the lipstick that you get, and you get minis also of this. So in case you don't wanna like give it a whole try, you can just try the mini. And I'm telling you, this is completely worth it. The next lipstick that I'm going to be talking about is this. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade Initiator. This is like again a nude pink, but ये थोड़ा सा Smashbox के गुलाबी से थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा pink है, तो it's just a little out there, but not very to be caught on like camera at least. But let me quickly put it on my lips and show it to you. So this is how it looks. I think on the camera ये बहुत ज़्यादा गुलाबी जैसा ही दिखेगा, but in reality it is a little different than गुलाबी, and it is a little more pinker than गुलाबी, but I love it क्योंकि ये super stay matte lipstick है and it stays on for like so long. It's just amazing of how long it stays, right? So love this one. Okay, moving on to the last one. This is from Sugar. It's their Smudge Me Not mini lipstick. This is the shade Brazen Raisin. थोड़ा सा this is towards a little bit of a red shade, but it's not like poppy red. बहुत ज़्यादा red नहीं है, तो मतलब अगर तुम्हारे ऑफिस में कुछ event हो रहा है, आजकल ऑनलाइन इवेंट्स होते हैं सारे, तो that time is something that this can be used. This like mini में है, काफ़ी affordable range में आता है, but I'll show you how it swatches like. This is how it swatches like. It's not that bright जैसे ये कैमरे में दिख रहा है, but it's like very pretty red. It's not super bright, it's just good enough, and it shows up really nicely. So अगर if you have like an office event or something like that, this is something that can be used, and it will not be a very out there color even if you're not wearing makeup. Like it looks really nice right now as well. So yep, that was it for today's video. If you like what you see, please like, comment, share, subscribe. All of the links for these lipsticks are in the comment below, so please take a moment and click on those links and buy those lipsticks. It would mean a lot to me. Some of them are affiliate links, तो थोड़ा सा मुझे भी कमीशन मिल जाएगा, तो please इन्हीं links पे click कर देना. And yep, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.